This should be a very satisfying one, since it brings together all the pieces of the previous videos in a complete weekly example. Once you can do this for your own business, you will see your business much better. You will know what is going on. You will see whether you are making money or losing money. Here at the top, we see how opening cash and closing cash is used to get the cash increase for the first day of this week. Note how the initial cash increase is corrected for money used for supplies as well as hazardous leakages of cash. Those calculations produce total sales revenue for day 1. This can be repeated for each day of the week. The sum of all the daily totals produces total sales revenue for the week. This is our first goal. Half of the job is done. Next, we total the expenses on stock and materials as well as consumables, together the cost of supplies. Then, we add up temporary labor costs, wages of temporary or casual workers. We now have all running costs. Next, we add up the monthly basic costs, including salaries of long-term employees and the manager, as well as contractual expenses. Now, add all 3 cost categories to get total costs, our second goal. When we subtract total costs from the total revenue amount, we get profit, also called the bottom line amount. This is our final goal. The job is done for the week. Now that you can see much better what is happening with revenue and expenses in your own business, you can start making plans. Moreover, you will also be able to go to a bank with your plans and have a serious conversation about a business loan or other financial services. This is so because you are armed with your cash book records. You can show them the financial numbers of your business, your income statement, your track record. You now know how to do that. This is a moment for a celebration. You have completed the first series of videos on good money habits. You can really feel proud of yourself. Well done.